Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the products from listing on the Teespring. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your browser that's going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use whatever browser you are going to use, and of course, it should be working for you. Once you open your browser, you can just go into this URL section, make sure to type teespring.com and simply hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And of course, from this page, make sure to, if you have an account, just click at login at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, just click at start creating. Of course, from here, as you can see, you can just go and create your name or brand name, your password, and etc. Or you can just sign in with Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Choose whatever you want to, so you can prevent yourself from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts. As you can see, logging in also will give you these three options. So just choose whatever option for you. And let me just do that for my own and I'm coming back to you. So once you created your account or just logged in into your account, of course, if you created your account, you'll find yourself with things like that. Of course, they're asking you if you want to create a product or you can just go and browse all the products, choose whatever you want. Of course, you can create or like browse the products. For me, I'll just click at create. And let's say as an example, I'm just going to add a text and here we're going to add in this text. Let's just erase that. We're going to add hello or as an example, hi world, and we're gonna put it in the middle, and of course just put the price that you want. As an example, let's just say $12, or because they are saying in no profit, so let's say as an example $20, and of course let's just click as continue. Here you can choose whatever shirt you would like to print this on, and of course, you can just add whatever you want and continue and just launch your products. Would give it a title like shirts as an example, description, high world shirts, and of course, launch your listing. That, of course, if you want to launch your listing. But if you want to remove a product from a listing, let's just wait for this until it launched so I can show you how to remove it. So now I just went to the home screen again. Of course, again, just go into the URL section and type Teespring again. Just go to your account, make sure to click at your listings here. Once you're here, as you can see, and here you will find your listings if you have a lot. And of course, if you want to remove this products from listing, simply click at this trash icon, which will archive your listing. Click on it, and as you can see, it will not be listed anymore. That means you will remove it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.